Hello and welcome to our video on the Ansoff matrix, a strategic tool used by businesses to map out growth strategies. The matrix was developed by applied mathematician and business manager Igor Ansoff and was published in the Harvard Business Review in 1957. The Ansoff matrix helped many marketers and leaders understand the risks of growing their businesses. The Ansoff matrix, also called the product/market expansion grid, is a tool used by firms to analyze and plan their strategies for growth. The matrix shows 4 strategies that can be used to help a firm grow and also analyzes the risk associated with each strategy. The 4 strategies are market penetration, market development, product development, and diversification. First, let's look at market penetration. It focuses on increasing sales of existing products in existing markets. This strategy aims to gain a larger market share with the current product lineup. Key tactics include increasing usage. Encourage customers to use the product more frequently or in larger quantities. Attracting competitors' customers. Persuade customers of competitors to switch to your brand. Improving product quality. Enhance the product to make it more appealing. Promotions and discounts. Use marketing campaigns, discounts, or loyalty programs to boost sales. Let's see with the help of example. A soda company might run a summer promotion offering discounts on bulk purchases to encourage existing customers to buy more. Next, we have market development. It involves entering new markets with existing products. This strategy aims to expand the market by targeting new customer segments or geographical areas. Key tactics include geographic expansion, enter new regions or countries. Target new segments, identify and market to new demographic groups, for example, different age groups and income levels. New channels, use different distribution channels such as online sales, retail partnerships, or direct-to-consumer models. Let's see with the help of example. A fashion brand that has been successful in North America might start selling its products in Europe or Asia. The third strategy is product development. It focuses on creating new products to serve existing markets. This strategy aims to innovate and offer new products to the current customer base. Key tactics include innovating new products, develop entirely new products that meet the needs of your current customers. Improving existing products, add new features or improve the quality of current products. Product line extensions, introduce variations of existing products, such as new flavors, sizes, or styles. Let's see with the help of example. A smartphone manufacturer might release a new model with advanced features to entice existing customers to upgrade. Lastly, diversification. It involves entering new markets with new products. This is the riskiest strategy as it requires both product and market development. Types of diversification. Related diversification. Expanding into a new market with products related to the current business. This leverages the company's existing expertise. Unrelated diversification. Entering a new market with products entirely different from the company's current offerings. Key tactics. Acquisitions and mergers. Buying or merging with companies in different industries. New ventures. Starting a new business line or division. Strategic alliances. Partnering with other companies to enter a new market. Let's see with the help of example. A car manufacturer might start producing electric bicycles, which is related to diversification because it stays within the transportation sector. Alternatively, if the same manufacturer starts offering financial services, that would be unrelated diversification. Hope this helps you all. Do like, comment, share and subscribe.